హాయ్ శ్రీరమణి మ్యామ్, రేణుక గారు హాయ్, స్వప్న గారు హాయ్, అమ్ములు గారు హాయ్ అండి, సునీత మ్యామ్ హాయ్, హలో 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 హాయ్. I want kids pattu lehenga 3 years old. Ma'am, yesterday I did the kids pattu lehengas from the Secunderabad store. Padmaja ma'am, hi. Teju garu, hi andi. Teju Karnam, hi. How are you? Saujanya garu, hi. Aparna garu, hi. Hi, hi. Srivalli garu. Ammu garu, hi. So we are doing the live from Mugdad Studio, Road number 2, Banjara Hills, the new showroom which has been launched recently. Aparna, thank you. Tanuja Shrikant garu, hi. Satvika Chini, hi. How to purchase says. Ma'am, I'm going to show you the beautiful floral Kanjivarams. Please take a screenshot and send it on the team's number so that my team would love to assist you with the further details and everything. Swati, hi. This episode we are going to do the beautiful, beautiful floral Kanjivaram saris. Lot of people have missed them last time, so this time I thought I'll do the first episode itself, the floral Kanjivarams. Please show the designer dresses tomorrow. Maybe I'll be doing the afternoon episode. Maybe you guys can check it out. Hi, Saujanya garu. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, hi. How are you? Nandita, hi. Ma'am, శ్రీదేవి మ్యామ్, ఆనందయ్య మెడిసినా మ్యామ్? నాకు ఒకసారి మీ డీటెయిల్స్ పెట్టండి మ్యామ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ నోన్ పీపుల్ హూ కెన్ హెల్ప్ యూ అవుట్. శ్రీదేవి మ్యామ్, ఇఫ్ నాట్ యూ గైస్ కెన్ షేర్ మీ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ సో దట్ ఐల్ ట్రై టు హెల్ప్ దెమ్ అవుట్. దీప్తి దివూరి గారు హాయ్. సునీత గారు హాయ్. Padmaja ma'am, thank you. So today's episode we are going to do the beautiful floral Kanjivarams andi. And I know you guys want to know from where this beautiful and exclusive jewelry is by. It's Pavanmo Jewelers andi. It's all real jewelry. Pavanmo Jewelers from Panjagutta. These are the beautiful statement earrings andi with all pearls. With all pearls and everything. It has the pearl hangings and pachi. Aarti, hi. And coming to the neck piece, I love the neck piece, Sunny. It's very beautiful. See the neck piece. It's all made in, you see this is all the pearl string which is passing on. And droplets of rubies, emeralds and pachis and pearl line. Lovely jewelry it is. And coming to the bangle, it's all made in rubies. Beautiful neck piece and sari. Thank you. Hi, Chandra garu, hi. So this episode I'm going to show you the beautiful Kanjivaram floral print saris. I'm wearing a nice light blue color Kanchipattu sari with nice floral print. This is what I'm wearing. Bhagi Shashi. Hey, your name is also Shashi. Nice, interesting. Little up, not forward. Sarika ma'am, I'm good. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. Lavanya garu, hi. Thank you, Sandhya Satish garu. Sari is beautiful. No, I know it's a lovely, beautiful floral Kanjivaram. I'm going to show you few saris in this. Adi off chain. Neelam Patil ma'am, definitely you can connect with me ma'am. Some organza saris please, okay. All are good Pavitra ma'am, thank you. Pavani Smarty, hi. I'm wearing a beautiful Kanchipattu sari andi with complete floral print. A lot of people miss the sari, so this week I'm starting the episode with the Kanjivaram saris only. Making chapati here and watching come and eat. Ante, don't tempt me ma'am now. Dupatta looks bad after it's stitched. Can you please look into that and let me know? Ma'am, there is a dispatch issues number. Please ping on that. Deepthi Duvuri, can you show me the lehenga set? Vaishu, hi Nana. My nephew name is also Vaishu. Definitely I'm going to shop my wedding collection from Mukta. Thank you. Ma'am, to check this beautiful jewelry, go for Pavanmo Jewelers and they have really good jewelry. Maybe on orders only they do, or you want anything specific also, they'll help you out with the collection and everything. So now we will start the episode, Andy. Is that okay now? Lots of love from Canada. Brahmani Srinath ma'am, thank you. Thank you. So much of love. Ma'am, this is what I'm wearing. A beautiful blue Kanchiputtu sari. We have exclusive collection now. I'm going to show you the beautiful blue and pink Kanchipuram sari. This is what I'm wearing, Andy. Lovely Kanchiputtu sari. Asha ma'am, hi. The one I'm wearing is 23,500, Andy. 23,500, and today we are going to show you. So sweet of you, Sarika ma'am. Thank you so much. So privileged to hear your name from you. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. And this is a beautiful Kanchiputtu sari, floral sari, Andy. I have good collection in this. Let me show you. నేను వేసుకుంది అయిపోయాయి మ్యామ్. వీ హ్యాడ్ 2 సారీస్, ఐ బిలీవ్ 2 అప్పుడే సేల్ అయిపోయాయి. దీంట్లో నేను ఉన్న కలెక్షన్ చూపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. నాన్న ఒక్కొక్క పీస్ తీసుకురా బిడ్డ, కింద పెట్టు నాన్న. మా వాళ్ళు మంచి సాంగ్ పెట్టుకున్నారు ఇవాళ. ఉప్పెన సాంగ్ కదా. ఎవరికి రా ఇక్కడ లవ్? ఎవరిని మిస్ అవుతున్నారు? ఎవరో సాంగ్ పెట్టారు మ్యామ్. నేను వేసుకున్న దాంట్లో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ పింక్ విత్ బ్లూ కలర్ బార్డర్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ Kanchiputtu saree. Yeah, on that. Very beautiful Kanchiputtu saree, and this is pastel pink with blue, similar to what I wore. Whoever likes it, please take a screenshot, Andy. I'll open and show you guys. This is a beautiful Padmaja Aunty, hi. ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింట్ అంటే ప్లెయిన్ కంచిపట్టు మీరు చేస్తారా లేక వీవర్ చేస్తారా? స్మాల్ డౌట్. పద్మజ ఆంటీ, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హాయ్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? మీ పాప ఎలా ఉంది? అలా మీ పేరు చూడగానే కొంచెం లవ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆంటీ. దీంట్లో ఆంటీ ఫస్ట్ వీ గెట్ ద సారీస్ డన్ ఆంటీ, అండ్ దెన్ వీ గెట్ దిస్ డిజైన్ ఆన్ ద సారీస్. వీవింగ్ ఫస్ట్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్ వీవింగ్ ఆంటీ. ఇట్స్ అ కంచిపట్టు సారీ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ. Your choker, my choker is from Pavanmo Jewelers. It's nice. You have to team up with the long chains actually. Long chain తీసుకురా, దీనికి చూపిద్దాం ఒకసారి. దీనిది లాంగ్ సెట్ ఉంది కదా. Soumya ma'am. Hey Soumya ma'am, hi. How are you? Thank you Soumya ma'am. This is a lilac. It's gonna sell very quickly guys, so please book it immediately. Very beautiful lilac with red. 23,500. This is a baby pink with blue floral Kanchipuram. This is peach with black. Open your phone and put no, it's blue. This is peach with black. Sunita ma'am, baunara. This is a peach with black andi. Very beautiful Kanchipuram floral. And then, oh, lilac it is. This is lilac with red. Beautiful floral digital Kanchipuram. Problem with phone I believe. This is pink with blue. This is a beautiful pink with blue. Lovely Kanchiputtu saree andi. Okay ma'am, somebody was asking the jewelry, no? I wore a nice choker, right? దీనికి లాంగ్ చైన్ సెట్ ఉంది మ్యామ్, నేను చూపిస్తాను మీకు. Shashi, will you take order? Saira ma'am, hi, how are you? Ma'am, yes, definitely, but okasari meeru Saira ma'am, let me show you the sarees. You see and reorder ma'am, because we have good collection, no? Ma'am, this is the long chain which is with the set actually. It actually goes with the traditional blouse and all. As I wore a sleeveless, I did not team up with this. This goes very beautiful with the above elbow blouses and all. I'll come little close. This is all made in Let me show you this one. ఏ గుణ ఏంట్రా నీ గురించి ఎస్ రేటింగ్ రాశారు మేడం మీరు గుణాన్ని పొగుడుతున్నారా గుణ ఒకసారి ఫేస్ చూపించరా మ్యామ్ దిస్ బాబు ఇస్ గుణ యాక్చువల్లీ మొన్ననే కొత్తగా పెళ్ళైంది ఏదో కమెంట్ చదివాను గుణ గురించి ఒక్క నిమిషం గుణ నీ గురించి అవుతా నాగరా వెళ్ళిపోయిందిరా నీ గురించి ఎస్ఏ రేటింగ్ రాశారు ఎవరు మేడము వచ్చింది ఆ ఫోన్ ఇవ్వ ప్లీజ్ నేను గుణ గురించి చదవాలి ఇక్కడ మా గుణ కొత్తగా పెళ్ళైంది మ్యామ్ ఏం రాశారు మేడం మ్యామ్ రీసెంట్లీ పర్చేస్డ్ ద సారీ ఫ్రమ్ యూ ఐ కాల్ యూ స్టాఫ్ అరౌండ్ 10 times బట్ ఓన్లీ ద పర్సన్ కాల్డ్ గుణ రెస్పాండెడ్ I want to recommend him. Money. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, Guna ki recommendation vachindi. Aithe okay. This is the beautiful chain andi. Long haram, which is a set of this actually. This is a long haram if you see. It's all made in rubies, pearls and everything. And this beautiful jewelry is by Pavan Mo Jewellers andi. See, if the back it is like this full gold. Front it is like this. If you team up it looks very smart onto the with this buttas. Where are the buttas? Get the buttas. The buttas for this is also very traditional, ma'am. I'll show. Jewelry set price I don't know, ma'am. Guna, congratulations, happy married life. But చిన్నపిల్లోడు మ్యామ్ నేను అడిగాను why do you want to get married so quickly అని పెళ్లి చేసేసారంట ఇంకా వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో మ్యామ్ Guna's father is the person who painted the store of Secunderabad actually. Very hard working. మీ నాన్నగారు పేరేంటో మర్చిపోయాను శేఖర్ అంకుల్ వాజ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్ పెయింటింగ్ మై సెకంద్రాబాద్ స్టోర్ యాక్చువల్లీ దట్స్ హౌ ఐ మెట్ గుణ హీ వాజ్ ద పర్సన్ హూ పెయింటెడ్ మై ఎంటైర్ సెకంద్రాబాద్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అండి వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ వేర్ దిస్ హారం మ్యామ్ ఇట్స్ గోన్ బి టూ మచ్ మ్యామ్ why don't you start Mugdha in Bengaluru? I will, ma'am. So please, you guys can buy this jewelry from Pavan Mo Jewellers, Panjagutta. So let me get back to the work. This is a beautiful beige and black Kanjivaram sari andi. I'm going to open this for you guys. Stay tuned. Don't miss this time. Last time, lot of people missed them out. I meet all the good people in my entire journey, ma'am. Asalu. This is mauve with green. This is a beautiful mauve. Hi, Preeti. Oh, Sam, thank you. This is a light color, bluish lilac, ma'am, with yellow border. This is a bluish lilac with yellow border. చాలా హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ మ్యామ్ గుణ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ అసలు పాపం మేము ఒక 1 monthలో ఆ స్టోర్ కొట్టేసామంటే ఆలోచించండి ఎంత హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ ఉండిందో టీమ్ అంతా దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆఫ్ వైట్ విత్ బ్లాక్ అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ గుడ్ సారీస్ అండి సో డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ సారీస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఆస్కింగ్ మీ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ కన్నడ తమిళ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ లెర్నింగ్ ఫర్ యూ గైస్ దిస్ ఈస్ పీచ్ విత్ బ్లూ కలర్ దిస్ ఈస్ పీచ్ విత్ బ్లూ గైస్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ టు ద టీమ్ ఇఫ్ యూ లవ్ ఇట్ because I don't have much collection. I just have 20 to 25 pieces, that's it. This is also one lovely sari, grey and brown. Very beautiful sari this is. Jyoti ma'am, hi. Jayapratha garu, hi. This is nice. Nude with red color. Nude color sari and the red color border. Very beautiful sari this is. All these saris are 23,500, ma'am. This is beautiful orangish red sari. Jayapratha Katakam ma'am, everything is good, thank you. Very beautiful orangish color andi idi with blue color border. Hey, this is nice. Ma'am, ee saree elipotadi. Malli reorders. Last time ilanti sarees ki nenu 10 reorders తీసుకున్నాను. First come first serve book చేసేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ reorders అంటే మనకి టైం పడుతుంది. So this is a beautiful saree. You're so cute and sorry also. Sailaja ma'am, thank you. This is also one lovely orange and blue color. Quickly I'll open and show you guys these sarees. Antena nana. Open cheddama. Repeat savi. Mari. Off-white with black. Ma'am, this is off-white. Light nude color. Light with black. చూపించినవి చూపిస్తున్నారా? ఒరే మీకు తంతాను. Open grain brown. I'll open up for you now. Guys, can you just put this little back so that I can open? Yes. So people who want to see what I am wearing, this is what I'm wearing. A beautiful blue color with a pink color border. This is how the sari looks. Very beautiful Kanjivaram. People who wanted to see the full version of the sari, this is how it is. Full border, this is Peria border. And kindi chupinchukonchu, kindi konchu, so that it kanpadadu. Ma'am, this is how the sari is completely with this floral. Yeah, come now. We'll start one on one now. Nice sashi. Okay, very nice sari. Open elephant print one. I'm opening, ma'am. Let's start the elephant print one. Sini beta, that's okay. Ma'am, these are all lovely Kanchipattu sarees, ma'am. Don't miss them. If you team up, it's gonna be like this. I'm starting with the elephant print saree, Adi. You guys can check them out. Black lo unda shashi. Ma'am, unnavi nenu open chestunanu oksaరి chudandi, ma'am. This is a yellow saree, andi. Yellow elephant print Kanjivaram saree. Very beautiful it is. Yellow with red. Beautiful yellow with red, andi. Adi koncham ittu pettu naku easy untundi. Very beautiful yellow and red Kanchipattu saree. This is how it is. And this is the pallu. Blouse is also in red color, andi. Blouse is also in red color. Beautiful yellow and red Kanchipattu saree. 23,500. I hope ila kanipistundi kada, or you want me to turn it and then show? Okay now? Ma'am, I hope this is okay, or you want me to turn and show full sari? Ma'am, this is 23,500. Please take a screenshot and send me on 9949047889, ma'am. This is a very beautiful yellow printed sari. This is how it is. Lovely yellow Kanjivaram sari. Show your kada bangle, dear. Okay, ma'am. This is the bangle, ma'am. It's made in rubies, and here it's all pachis. And this is the ring. Yellow bagundi. Thank you, ma'am. 23,500. Please take a screenshot and send it on 994904. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889, andi. So this is the yellow what I've shown you now. Next, turn. It's easy. Alage depend. I'll got me right. This is a very beautiful orange color with a blue color kanji border. Lovely sari this is. Koncham venakilla nene ostanu rendu. Okay, done. Very beautiful. Nana, clearly. Done. Okay. Very beautiful orange and blue color Kanchipattu saree, andi, with a nice floral print. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is how the pallu is, and the blouse is also made in blue color. 23,500. This is what I'm wearing, a beautiful blue color floral Kanchipattu saree. This is the next off-white with black Kanchipattu saree. Off-white and black andi. Very beautiful combination it is. Off-white Kanchipattu saree with a black border. You have a black blouse and the black pallu. Very nice Kanjivaram saree. It is 23,500. Next you have a lavender color. Very beautiful lavender color Kanchiputtu sari. Ma'am, don't miss this sari. A lot of people buy it very immediately. It's a beautiful lavender color sari. Ma'am, this is a nice sari, ma'am. Lavender with red color. Show me the orange sari once. Ippudu chupichinda okasari orange sari ante teppichinna. Ma'am, this is also nice. Orange lavender with red. Very beautiful sari. Lavender and red Kanjivaram sari it is. When you drape it, it looks really smart. This is how the pallu is only. 23,500. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Orange color sari. Somebody was asking for the sari. This is how it is, ma'am. Orange with border. Beautiful sari. It is 23,500. Hi, Swapna, ma'am. Next one, please. We have, actually I was supposed to wear this sari. I love this color. Very beautiful sari. See, excellent mauve, I mean like deep purplish color with this green border. It's so beautiful. Fresh colors, ma'am, all these are. Lovely, lovely sari this is. Awesome collection, akka. Very tempting buy, akka. Thank you, Nana, Sujata. This is a beautiful sari. Don't miss this sari. I love this sari any day. With this bottle green pallu and a bottle green blouse. Oh, very nice. See? Nice, no? This color with this border. 23,500. Lovely sari this is. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Yes. Next I have rust color, rustish orange with blue kanchi border only. Very small border this is. This sari match you well. Thank you, ma'am. This is a light orange with the blue color combination. Choker and kada super shashi and sari so beautiful. Sangeeta ma'am, thank you. Light orangish ki blue color border vachindandi. Very beautiful even this one is. 23,500 it is. And this is the pallu with this copper sulphate blue blouse. Nice sari andi it is. Koncham long chupinchinannatlu. Bench, yeah. This is how the sari is. Very beautiful sari. Client వచ్చారా మరి రోజు టైంకి ఫోన్ చేయాలి క్లోజ్ చేయాలి టైంకి అంతా కలిపి. This is a nice light orangish peach with a blue border. 23,500, ma'am. The color is actually bright than the video. Next one, please. Next you have a lavender color. Very beautiful lavender. This is how the sari is. Lavender with the red color border. Nice sari, ma'am. Go with an above elbow sleeves or something like that. This looks lovely actually. Light lavender and a red color border. Beautiful sari, ma'am. Dani vette raika. Light lavender color, ma'am. This looks really nice. See the sari, see the border, see the color. This is how it is. Sorry. Okay, దానికి ఫోన్కి సంబంధం ఏముంది? Okay, fine. One second, ma'am. I'm just trying to set my phone. Yeah. So this is a lavender with a red color combination. 23,500, ma'am. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889, ma'am. Peach with black saree, show once. Even the regular customers, Maya, to look at the messages, రే మీరు సర్వీస్ బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోండి బాబు. Definitely Maya ma'am, thank you for the feedback. This is a lavender color with a red color. Maya ma'am, just let me know if you like something, Maya ma'am, so that I'll personally look into that. Diyama. This is how the lavender is, Andi. Beautiful lavender and red color combination. Ma'am, these all look very pretty like how I wore. If you drape it, a triangle. Off-white and black, Andi. Off-white and black. Beautiful saree, even this one is also. Off-white and black Kanchipuram saree this is. Very beautiful saree with this border. All over the saree it's nudish and light creamish off-white, ma'am, this is. See? And this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu it is. 23,500. Next I have a nude color. Nude with red. Beautiful saree. Nude with reddish pink. Nude with reddish pink. Very beautiful Kanchipuram saree, even this one. With this pallu. Lovely Kanchipuram saree with an elegant floral print on the saree. This is how it is, Andi. 23,500 it is. Get a nice above elbow blouse done for the saree. It looks very pretty. Video clarity ledu. Anduke okasari phone ivvamani cheptanu. Get my phone at least. Very beautiful Kanchipattu saree, and this is. Don't miss this saree. Nude with red color combination. This is 23,500. Beautiful Kanchipuram saree, ma'am. This is. I mean, all this collection I have all different prints. This is also nice print. Baby pink with a blue color border. This is also nice, ma'am. 23,500 even this one is. Lovely Kanchipuram saree. Beautiful pink and navy blue. See, if I come close, this is how it is, ma'am. Border, saree print. The saree print is very unique if you observe, ma'am. Very nice it is. Maya Divya Ashok. Ma'am, you pinged on 9949 only, no? Let me just take a look at that. This is the pallu. Nice saree, ma'am. Nice Kanchipuram this is. See, 23,500. This is a very different Kanchipuram, Andi. Beautiful Kanchipattu saree. Even this is nice. Turn back and show. What's up? Ma'am, I text you through WhatsApp about kids lehenga. Your staff haven't replied. 2 sarees from you just in an hour yesterday. Sam, తప్పకుండా మ్యామ్ నేను ఒక్కసారి చూస్తాను. Blue, light blue Kanchipattu saree, and this is, you see the print and everything, it's very unique. Beautiful Kanchipuram saree this is. Very nice saree, andi. 18,500, andi. This is 18,500. Kanchipattu saree only. This is borderless saree. This is how the pallu is. This is all silver zari pallu. And this is the blouse. Something different we have experimented, ma'am. 18,500. Next. It's a green Kanchipattu borderless saree, andi. Beautiful green Kanchipuram borderless saree. Beautiful light green Kanchipattu sari with this pallu, orange contrast pallu, and orange color blouse. This is the blouse. Even this is 18,500. It's a pure Kanchipattu sari, borderless. Next I have it in peach color. Kanchipattu sari in peach color with this print. This is also lovely. You just team up with nice smart blouse. 18,500. This one is also. And coming to the pallu, it's very beautiful. Pallu is very nice. And the blouse will also be in this green color combination only. The sari is nice only. Different, something different. You guys want to experiment, you guys can go with something like this. Kanchipattu sari only, this one also. This is a light green color sari. Light mint green color this is. We have tried all different versions of the prints, Andy. They are very pretty. Kanchipattu sari with this pallu, black. With a black color blouse. This sari is also very nice. Look at the booties on the sari. They are very nice, Andy. This is again a dark color. Even this is nice. Beautiful borderless Kanchipuram saris. Team up with printed Banarasi blouses for these kind of saris. They look lovely. Printed Banarasi blouses, Andy. 18,500. Lovely combination of the pallu. Very beautiful pallu it has. And the blouse is also contrast. Next I have a yellow one. Yellow Kanchipuram sari. Very beautiful borderless. Wow. Lovely sari this is. Lovely, lovely sari this is. Beautiful color combination. It's teamed up with a parrot green pallu and a parrot green blouse. 18,500. This is 18,500. It's a pure Kanchipattu sari, Andy. You guys can see the silver motifs on the sari. Beautiful saris. This is blue color sari. Blue Kanchipuram sari with small borders. 15,500. This is 15,500. Entirely. 15,500. This is the pallu and a pink color blouse. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Yeah, next. Next you have a nice small border Kanchipattu sari. People who love simple borders, that too in a copper, this is the one for you guys. Lovely Kanchipattu sari this is. This is also 15,500, Andy. 15,500. This is the pallu and the blouse. This is the blouse. 15,500. Somebody was asking me why always. This is partly pallu style, Andy, half and half. Beautiful green in the pallu style, and kinda vachesi in the kuchilu you get peach color Kanchipattu sari. Green with a peach color combination pallu. Partly pallu style this is. 18,500. Next you get me the grey one. Grey and florals, everything. This is a green color sari with a checks border and with an abstract floral print. $15,500. Even this is 15,500. This is how the pallu is, and the blouse is contrast. Next we have a dark pink floral. We have a dark pink floral sari with a blue color border. Very beautiful sari this is. This is how the pallu is. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. And if you pleat it also, this looks very smart. This is how it looks. Similar to what I wore. Can you just turn the camera once? Ma'am, this is similar to what I wore. This is how it is. Baby pink with a blue color combination. Lovely border, lovely sari it is. Kalpana ma'am, hi. Once show Kada Shashi. Which one ma'am? Then miss and my conversation. With black border. Praise. I'm from Malaysia. Shakuntala ma'am. I love what you're wearing. Nice collection. Next. We always love your sarees and collection, Shashi. I won't shop anywhere else. Maya ma'am, thank you. And sorry for the mistakes if there are any in the service, ma'am. This is how it is. 23,500. This is my favorite saree again. I love these abstract prints. See? Very beautiful abstract print saree. 19,800 it is. Lovely saree it is. Turn Jejupina. Very beautiful saree. The print, everything is so lovely. 19,800. Such a beautiful saree it is. See the print and everything and the quality of the saree. Pallu is in brown and the blouse is also in brown. Look at the pallu. And look at the blouse. This is the blouse. 19,800. This is peach with black. Beautiful Kanchipuram sari. Peach and black and the beautiful Kanchipattu sari it is. Ma'am, these kind of saris are in trend and they're absolutely the similar one of what I'm wearing. This is the pallu. And the blouse is also in black color, ma'am. Go with an above elbow blouse. The saris are very unique, very different, ma'am. Not the regular stuff. This is how it is. 23,500. This is yellow with green. This is a mango yellow with a green color border. Papa, Ajupi bidda, pink ki muttamu, pakana. This is also a lovely sari, Andy. Next. See this sari? I'm showing you in the last because this just gets sold like that. Beautiful sari. Look at this lovely sari. Excellent story, the concept and everything. Very nice Kanchiputtu sari it is. Show little closely, Nana. The elements which have been used and the story, the concept is beautiful, ma'am. And that too, it's teamed up with a pink color border that's looking even more pretty actually. 23,500. Turn back. Ma'am, this is a very beautiful sari. Don't miss this sari. 23,500. Lovely story and a lovely sari it has. See, I want to book this sari, Chachi garu. Aparna ma'am, tondra book cheskondi ayipoddi. Please take a screenshot and send it to the team, ma'am. See, enta baagundo idi. Ana inkoti kuda undi kadra atla. Ma'am, this is a lavender color. Chala pretty ga undi with this yellow color border. Beautiful lavender color andi. Border anta chala chakkaga undi dinni. I bought this similar from you. Sam ma'am, thank you. Very beautiful sari. Hi Spurti Reddy ma'am. Dooram chupichva. This is the lavender color with the yellow color border andi. Kanchipattu sari this is. Come. Somebody want to see my bangle? Ma'am, chudandi bangle. Mottam rubies ma'am, it is all rubies. Pavanmo Jewelers ma'am, and this is the ring and these are the earrings ma'am. And neck piece ma'am. Pavanmo Jewelers. This is how the sari looks. 23,500. Baby pink with blue again. Sorry, grey ma'am. This is greyish blue, baby pink. Lovely sari it is. Hi ma'am. Beautiful Kanjivaram andi with this blue color border. This is also nice. Come close, Babu. Show the sari once. Look at the sari, ma'am. How beautiful it is with this border. 23,500, ma'am. Hi Shashi, ma'am. Beautiful saris. Harita garu, thank you. Little back. Thank you, Harita garu. This is the pink sari. What I'm showing you now, pink with blue. This is also lovely. And this is the pallu. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is yet another beautiful sari. This you have to show, Nana. Go, that's it. This we have to show because the print and everything has to be seen smartly. See the concept, see the story and everything, ma'am. This is lovely. Beautiful sari this is. Lovely conceptual sari, ma'am. This is 19,800. It is 19,800 with this pallu. You see the story on the sari, ma'am. The concept, the story is nice. $19,800. I love these kind of sarees, ma'am. I hope you also love. And this is what I'm wearing. Somebody was asking me, want to see what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing, ma'am. Lovely floral print saree. Baby pink with a black color border. Kanchipattu sari this is 15,500 andi. This is also 15,500. Lovely Kanchipuram sari with this beautiful print. Very beautiful print this is. You see the peacocks and everything. Team up with the Banarasi blouse, ma'am. That looks smart on the sari. With this gold color pallu. Saturdays and Sundays you guys can see me. I'll be able to show you a lot of good collection. 15,500. Next we have parrot green with yellow color border. Parrot green with yellow color border, 19,800 and it is 19,800. Please take a screenshot and send it to us, Andy. We would love to assist you. This is the yellow blouse and the pallu. Beautiful color combinations, ma'am. These are. Don't miss these saris. 19,800 this one. Nana. Ma'am, this sari color combination is nice actually. Yellow with green. You see the green print. Sushma Raj, thank you. And this is the border. Team up with a nice Banarasi blouse, ma'am. Ikkad varku. It looks very nice. I'll show you some other color now. Orange color में दिखाना. ठीक है, ma'am. Shashi, you look beautiful. Ma'am, for any of the queries, please don't hesitate to ping us on the issue number. I'm just trying to read. You look elegant. I just read some comment. Somebody has some concern. I missed it out, ma'am. Ma'am, just connect with me on 9949047889 immediately. If anybody has any concerns, ma'am. Green and yellow is very beautiful. No, thank you, ma'am. This is also a nice smart sari. Simple yet elegant. Your necklace is very nice. Thank you. Ma'am, pre-order is available, ma'am. You guys can book them up. కొంచెం వెనక్కి వెళ్ళినా అంతేనా ఇంకా ఉన్నాయా? That's it. This is a beautiful sari. New. That's it. Come now. This is the last sari of this episode and what I'm showing you guys. Why don't you opt for మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోయాను. అది వెళ్ళిపోయింది మ్యామ్. కమెంట్ ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోయింది. మ్యామ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ క్రీమ్ కలర్. క్రీమా yellow? Light cream or yellow? వెబ్సైట్ రాదర్ దెన్ వాట్సాప్. నాకు ఒక కరెక్ట్ టీం దొరకట్లేదు మ్యామ్ వెబ్సైట్ డెవలప్మెంట్కి. నా వెబ్సైట్ డెవలప్ చేసి నా స్టాక్ అంతా అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఇచ్చే టీం దొరికితే బాగుంది. ఇప్పటికీ నేను 3 మార్చాను మ్యామ్. We're just waiting for the right team to help us out in the development. If any of your husbands are into this, please help me out. EMI option everybody can buy. Veena Ramesh ma'am, tapakunda. Turn Nana, turn and show. Beautiful yellow color sari andi. 18,500. Very unique and smart Kanchipattu sari this is. Yes, very beautiful Kanjipuram sari, and this is the contrast pallu with maroon and grey. 18,500. Very beautiful sari. Next I have a grey with patli pallu. Ma'am, this is a half and half sari, patli pallu style. Grey in the pallu and peach color in the pleats. Beautiful sari this one also. Grey and peach color. Lovely sari this is. This is how the pallu is andi. Nice pallu. And it has a peach color blouse. Smart sari ma'am. Very unique it is. 18,500 and it's a Kanjipuram sari. You can see the zari. Next I have a light color sari, gandham color sari this is. Light gandham color sari this is. 13,500 ma'am, this is 13,500 with this grey pallu. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is 13,500 right now. And the last sari of this episode, peach with green. Beautiful sari this is. Very unique ma'am it is. Peach with green. Butterflies are there in the border if you observe. Very beautiful butterflies. Kanchipattu sari, ma'am, this is. This is how the pallu is. 18,500, ma'am. This is 18,500. So yeah, this is my. I want to end this episode with a favorite sari of mine. This is how it is. Beautiful sari. Very beautiful floral print sari. Blue color. It's a lovely sari, ma'am. With this pallu. Nice, no? Ma'am, this is a nice blue color sari with this print and all. Looking for a lehenga customization and your team says Nalini ma'am, మీరు బుక్ చేసుకోండి. మేము I'll try to help you out. మీకు ఏ లెహంగా కావాలో బుక్ చేసుకొని నా నంబర్ తీసుకోండి మ్యామ్. యూ కెన్ పింగ్ మీ ఫర్ ది కస్టమైజేషన్. Beautiful blue color print sari. Your collection is very good, ma'am. I love your collection. Honey, thank you, Nana. This is the pallu. So yeah, we are done with the saris. भाई साहब वो बताइए ना प्लीज. वो ब्राउन वाला दे दो, फर्स्ट वन. Archana ma'am, definitely please share it to the team so that we will help you out. This is one brown color sari. Very beautiful Kanchipattu sari. See? Sirisha ma'am, yes, you can pre-order the one I'm wearing, but it takes time, ma'am. This is a beautiful brown Kanchipattu sari, Andy. So we are done with this episode now. Ma'am, anybody has any issues, the number is 9676265500. Adena, please ping on that number, ma'am. Archana ma'am, to contact and book, this is the number, ma'am. 9949047889, ma'am. Ma'am, the jewelry is by off cheseko. Ma'am, the jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers. Hope you're fine and good. Honey, I'm good, Nana. Thank you. Nalini ma'am, customization ki meer book cheskundi oksa screenshot petti lehenga chunni and blouse, you just inform the team, ma'am, so that they'll connect me for you guys. Nice collection, Shashi. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you guys are liking. If you don't like anything, please don't hesitate to let us know. Anusha Reddy garu, hi Andy. So Saturdays and Sundays I'm going to come live in the evenings, ma'am. I mean Indian time, around from 6 to 10 I'll be live for you guys. Mostly weekends, please wait. How to order, ma'am? Please take a screenshot and send it on the 9949047889. It's my team's contact number. They'll help you with the bookings. The one I'm wearing is 23,500. The next episode we are going to do on Banarasis, I believe, if I'm not wrong, or any other collection after a couple of hours, and again tomorrow. So Archana ma'am, next week enduku ippude ping cheyandi, nenu resolve chesestanu. Archana Krishna ma'am. Arpita Jairam, yes, the complete jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewelers. You guys can check them out on Instagram. They have their Insta handle. So this is how the jewelry is. It's beautiful. Lovely jewelry with pearls, and this is very nice smart jewelry, no ma'am. And earrings are also nice. Vidyashri ma'am, thank you. What I'm wearing is 23,500. So tomorrow also I'm going to come live. I'm really sorry for the people who missed out a lot of saris in the last week. Hope I'll try to restock them because all got sold, ma'am. I'll try to restock them, ma'am. Definitely I'll try to restock. And I got a lot of patience, maybe from my mother, ma'am. Sridevi Nagandla ma'am, Banaras time. Ippudu enta ayindi bidda time? What's the time, Nana Naga? 10 na? Ma'am, 11 o'clock Banarasi episode or any other episode I'll try to do, ma'am. Ma'am, jewelry na kassal I don't have idea, ma'am. Next time maybe I'll ask Neil to share me the prices also, so that anybody is interested, you guys can buy it. I'm fond of jewelry, sarees and everything, ma'am. I love to get dressed up, but I don't know different hairstyles. That's why I put it like this only always. Open branch in Malaysia. Ping pong, definitely. I love your name, Ping Pong. Vikas Vicky, hi Nana. So the one I'm showing you is from road number 2, the new store, Banjara Hills. The next live is gonna be 10:30, ma'am. నేను 36 స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళడానికి టైం పడుతుంది, బట్ ఐ ట్రై టు డూ దాట్. ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ బనారసా? ఓకే మ్యామ్, ఐ ట్రై టు షో యూ. ఉన్నాయా ఇక్కడ బనారస్? టుమారో ఆల్సో యూ గైజ్ హ్యావ్ లవ్లీ కలెక్షన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Does your team ship to US? Yes ma'am. We have clients all across the globe. We ship every day. Every day we keep shipping. I know. I mean, the one I'm wearing is nice actually. You guys can pre-order. Ma'am, so open a shop in Los Angeles, please. Okay. ఎల్లేలోనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇయరే మ్యామ్. ఇంకో ఇయర్ మనము కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఇంకో 6 months వరకు ఇండియాలో స్టక్ అయిపోవాలి. మీరు కూడా ఇండియాకి వస్తే మా స్టోర్స్ విజిట్ చేయండి మ్యామ్. హాయ్ శశి, మై కిడ్ జున్ను కీప్స్ వాచింగ్ యూ షోస్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ డూ. షీ ఈజ్ 10 months. ఓ హాయ్ జున్ను, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? బుడ్డది, షీఈస్ జస్ట్ టూ యంగ్ అండ్ అప్పుడే షోస్ చూపించేస్తున్నారా మ్యామ్? నో మ్యామ్, బ్లౌజ్ స్టిచ్చింగ్ ఇస్ సెపరేట్. ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ వాట్ స్టైల్ యూ వాంట్ స్టిచ్. డస్ వదిలే నాన్న, నేను పట్టుకుంటాను. హిమబిందు మ్యామ్ హాయ్. బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఫార్మ్ అంటారా మ్యామ్? మ్యామ్ ప్రీ ఆర్డర్ మై టీమ్ ఈజ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు పింగ్ యూ ఇమీడియట్లీ. సుమిత మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో నెక్స్ట్ విల్ సూన్ connect with the beautiful Kanjivarams or the next set of collection. Till then, bye bye.